Assalamu alaikum viewers. Um, this reading is for my dear Cancer, and what is going to happen what is going to happen for Cancer in July 2020. Now I'm going towards my reading. Now for my dear Cancer in July 2020, you are stuck over here. Your mind is stuck over some thinking. You want to do something and you are very dominant, very aggressive, very stubborn over that situation. You want to do it right now, and you are not seeing the perspective at the right side. You are doing what you want. You don't want to know, you don't want to search more, you don't want to know more about that situation. You want to do just do that thing. Okay. Now the fool. The fool card is upside down. That means that this is not the good thing to do. This is not good for you, and the universe is telling you that don't make a step, don't make a single step. This is dangerous for you, this is toxic for you. Not don't go forward, don't do this thing. Whatever you want to do over here, don't do it. This is not good for you. They are making you stop over here. They are telling you that this is not the good way. This is the dangerous path. Okay. Now with this card, 8 of Pentacles, maybe you are doing a lot of work, giving a lot of your time to this situation, and there is nothing going on over here. You have nothing over it, no gain, no money, no nothing. I want to see why this card is over here. Okay, I think that this situation is because you are waiting for something, you're waiting for help or somebody to come and give you some advice, or maybe for your loved one. You're waiting for your loved one and they are not coming towards you. This situation is stuck over here, not moving anywhere. You are doing something and again and again you are doing over something again and again, hard work, lot of thoughts, and there is nothing is going to change over here. And you still over here you don't have any patience in your mind. Sorry, you have no patience in your mind over here, and you are thinking about that situation and you want to do it right now. Maybe it's some kind of sickness. You are tired about something, you want it right now. You want to have your sun in the sky right now. Yes, you are waiting for it. You want this thing to have right now. And with this King of Wands upside down, this situation is not good for you. You are not able to think straight, the think right thing over here. That is also the card for that. You are not thinking right, you are thinking wrong things. You are not thinking straight. Your mind is not going towards the right path, and you are not able to decide anything. Okay, don't decide now, because this card is upside down. You are not thinking right. If you do something or decide something over here, you have to do something wrong. This is not good for you. This is dangerous for you or for your loved ones or someone, but definitely not for you. This is not good for you. Don't do anything over here. Maybe you are so angry over here right now. You are so angry right now. You want to punish someone, and they are not bad, because you are not thinking well. You are not thinking at a right perspective. You are seeing the things towards others perspective, or maybe someone is there, he is listening to someone else. Yes, you can see that he is listening towards someone else, and he is someone telling him that the bad things. Okay, please don't decide anything right now. Okay, this is not good for you. Yes, you want to begin something new, or something new is beginning for you, something new is there for you. Okay, and this is from universe, this is from Allah, this is the help from Allah. You are attracted towards someone, or some passionate desires towards someone. Okay, you want to begin something new, some new life with that person, or new business matters, something. You want to begin something new, and it is peaceful, it is peaceful, it is good, it's from universe. And the universe is giving you that thing, judgment. This is good, this is happening from Allah. Over here, universe is giving you something new, like they are telling you that every good thing is going to end at some time, and when this thing going to end, the new thing is going to rebirth happen. Okay, and you are having the tough time in your life, and now this is going to change. You are going to have a good time, you are happy with this, but this is not going to happen right now, because this chariot card is upside down, and this is the movement card, the change card, something new beginning card, something new happening card, and this is upside down. And that's why this thing is not going to happen right now. Or maybe you are thinking about someone the bad way, that they are not good, they are thief, they are they are not telling you the lie, or when there is nothing like this over there, they are not like that person. Okay, and for some of you, they are good person, and the universe force you to begin something new with them, that that particular person that you are not happy with. Okay, because maybe you are not right over here, you are thinking bad things, or you are not looking towards them the right, because this is all in your mind. Okay, they are the good person for you, but you have the bad thoughts about them. Okay, romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring. When there is you have the right feelings for them, you also love them, and they also love you, but some kind of misunderstanding is going between you both. Okay, work on this situation, go and talk to them, and you will solve this problem. Okay, separation, but I think that this situation is going to a separation, because you are not listening to anyone. You want to do this, you want to separate from them, and maybe someone new is coming towards you, and this situation also will take the time. Fairy of the Highlands, it's time to be brave, and universe is telling you, if you want to leave them, for some of you, they are really a bad person, and you have to separate from them. Then you go, and you be a brave person, go and cut them from your life, get them out of your life, and free yourself, and then they will give you the new person, and the new happiness, the new romantic feelings. Okay, and this is the reading for you in this month is month of July to 2020, and this is going to happen in this situation, or maybe you are planning about this situation in this month, or maybe you are going to marry them in this situation in this month. Okay, and I hope you like this reading. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more, then go and check my previous videos, and you also can get help from my future videos I am going to make in future. And for that you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you get my new readings. Okay, and you will get some help from there surely. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.